Okay, so today we're going in 0.4. We're doing multi-step equations. So last time we did two-step equations following SADMAP, okay? Multi-step equations, we're adding 1 to 2 more steps, okay? And this 1 to 2 more steps are really steps that we actually, I believe, know how to do, okay? Let's put that away, okay?
Back. Remember?
Oh, you're recording it.
Oh, back. It's the droid. You'll never find out.
Ooh, okay, I just found out. Okay. Hey, so here, 5d plus 7 minus 3d is equal to 8. We have multi-step equations, okay? If you look over to the sideboard, SWBA, students will be able to solve multi-step equations, okay? So 5d plus 7 minus 3d equals 8. What can we do on the left side that's different from what we could do before? We couldn't do it before.
We can add denominators.
We don't not denominators, but we can combine like terms. What like terms do we see here?
5D and 3D.
5d and 3d, they both have d, okay? So we have 5d minus 3d. What do those combine to be?
40.
Whoa, the numbers are right.
Oh wait, that's 40.
5d minus 3d.
2d.
2d.
Not 3D.
Well, that's fast.
Oh.
Got him.
True. Okay. So 2d, and we still have the plus 7, don't we?
Equals 8.
Equals 8.
Okay.
So now, yeah, we're back to doing SADMAP. We're back to a two-step equation. So now we subtract 7 like Brady said. And 2d is equal to what number, guys? 1.
8.
Okay, bless you, let's write down after let's forget. Bless you, let's write down after let's forget.
2 divided by
Okay.
1 is 2.
And now we would divide by what? Divide by 2. Okay. Tony, what do we get on the left side? We get
Can't cross this.
we
So
get
1.
1d
Yeah.
equals
I don't know where we're at.
what do we write on the right side here?
1 half.
What number are we on?
From 1.
Okay, what were we asking? Brady? We're in 0.4. Now we're on our third page. Okay. So guys, what was different between this and our two-step equations we just got done with?
Wait, I thought it could be 2.
You can combine the like.
2 divided by 1.
1 divided by 2. We had to divide by 2. That's what you told me. So it's 1 divided by 2, 1 half. Okay. So what was the only thing different? We had to combine. You said what, Tony?
Like terms.
We had to combine like terms first. That was the only difference here. Okay. Questions on that? Well, we know how to combine like terms, don't we? We just follow the signs of what's there. 5d minus 3d. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Questions on that? Okay. Look at number 2, guys, here. 3/4 x plus 1 minus 1 half x equals 2. What's up?
If like can't you just make it
No, because it's 3/4 minus a half. We don't know if that makes a whole. Okay.
it
What
makes
can we combine? What? Or sorry, excuse me. Do we have like terms to combine? The fractions, right? They're both x's, aren't they? Okay. So we can combine our fractions here. Okay. Combine that. Okay. So, but do we know what 3/4 minus 1 half is yet? Can we actually do that subtraction yet?
Remember the like terms.
We need common
Yeah.
denominators, right? What's going to be our common denominator here? 4. This one's already there. What do we have to do with this to get it there? What do we have to do with negative 1 half to get it to being something fourth?
It'd be 2 over 4.
It would be 2 over 4 because we multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So now we have 3/4 x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2/4 x equals 2. So now we combine those like terms and see here how many x's do we end up having?
5.
1 what? 1 1/4 x plus 1 equals 2. Because 3/4 minus 2/4 is 1/4. Okay, we can't forget there's a minus sign there. So 3 minus 2 is 1. We keep the denominator. We just got to all this work to get common
If
denominators.
you're like
I'm not going to change it now.
multiplying denominators or like whatever it's called. Fractions.
Multiplying fractions.
Yeah.
Minus 1.
You don't need common denominators to multiply fractions.
Minus
So now, oh Tony, you told us the next step. What is the next step? Subtract 1. Very good. We follow SAT method. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1/4 x equals 1.
Then put that one into a fraction, right?
Okay, we can put this 1 into a fraction. Good call. Okay, can't cross reduce yet. Okay, what's happening with 1/4 and x, guys?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So we normally divide, but that looks weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what did we talk about earlier today even that we do instead? Multiply by
The reciprocal.
the reciprocal. Because if we look at what happens when you multiply both sides by a reciprocal, let's look at what happens on the left side. What happens with these two 4s?
Goes down to 1.
Yeah, they go to 1, they reduce to 1. So what are we left with?
1.
Just
1.
1x.
But
And that was our goal, right? To get x by itself.
is it 1/4?
At the end of the day, our goal is to get x by itself, isn't it? Okay?
So x
So
equals
that
4.
it worked. So now it's 1 times 4,
Oh, yeah.
and 1 times 1 is just 1. But Caden, as he talks about up here when he teaches, we don't need that, do we? Okay, questions on that?
Nope. Yeah.
Okay, what's your question?
Are you rushing real quick?
That was a good question on that. No, I'm actually gonna hold, okay? I saw you using the restroom before class. Ooh, okay. So that was a multi-step equation by combining like terms first, okay? Do we feel pretty comfortable with that? Okay. Let's look at what happens when you have a different first step. So now we're gonna do multi-step equations using the what?
Distributing.
Distributing property. So what do you think our first step's gonna be here? Distributing, okay? So here, 4 times 2x plus 1 minus 5x equals 10.
4
So-
times 2 equals 6x.
Try again. 4 times 2x is
8x, oh sorry, yeah. And then 4 times 1 equals 4. So plus 1. So plus 4.
we still have the minus 5x, right?
Yeah.
Now, does this turn into an equation like we just had? Yeah. I want you guys to go ahead and finish solving this one, please.
This is what we've been doing, correct?
Now it turned into just one of the problems we had right before. Very good, Ray. Okay, great.
Oh, I did it wrong.
Jumps here.
Wait, if we have the 5x and 8x left, can we minus plus that? It's the same.
8x and 5x?
Yeah.
You can combine like terms. Look to combine like terms.
Forgot what that meant.
Okay, what are like terms?
Oh, it's like x, like the very,
So can we combine them?
we just subtract.
This was 8x minus 5x.
Oh, 3x.
I have a question. When you do this part, like put them both in fractions,
Yeah, you can do that.
you only use one of
Mm.
those, like just use that, and then that.
Yep, you use whatever with the variable.
So what is
Yeah, but you should have it right.
x equals 2? Nice rushing now real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that.
That's not right. One there. What did we write? What did you tell me to write?
Oh, 4. Oh, I'm missing a whole bunch of things.
Brady, can I have you come up and teach us one? We've been having people come up and teach them. So pretend like you're me, you know.
Alright, so boys, the first thing you do is that 8x subtract 5x. And that is 3x. 3x plus 4 equals 2. Alright, the second thing is you subtract 4 from 10. That's 6. Divide by 3. Okay, so 2. Right, possible.
Very good. Next equals 2, right? And we love to get in the habit of doing what with our answers? Yeah, circular boxes. Thank you, Brady.
Brady? Wait, can I do that one?
Yeah, sure. Let's just keep it on the left side. That way we can still solve our problem number 2.
Green and black. Green. Actually,
No, it looks like. Oh, you didn't get the black, I don't think. Hey,
that's the wrong.
bottom
thing,
right,
bro.
bottom left arrow. There you go. Let's do the left side. Remember that? Okay. There you go. You got it. Oh my God.
X equals 2.
You outline it.
Yeah, man, yeah.
It might be a little small. We'll see.
Yeah, make it a little thicker.
Yeah, you might want to duck down. Yeah, you crouch. You crouch down and you can see it.
Bruh. That's why.
Want me to do it for you?
X equals.
He's still working. He's working on that.
Yeah. First time, okay? Good work. Yeah. Okay. Hey, on number 2, what's different between the number 1 and number 2?
Nothing. Oh, there's another one.
There's 2 things to distribute, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do the first one.
Okay. So yeah, we distribute the first one, we distribute the second one. Here on the second one, guys, remember how I like to keep this straight, okay? I want us to talk about this real quick. Is this a positive 2 being multiplied, or what kind of 2?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, okay? So sometimes I like to change this positive to a negative and distribute the negative 2 in, okay? So let's go ahead and let's do this one now, please.
Negative.
It is. You want to try it again?
Is that negative 1? No,
No,
it's just minus.
Negative 2 minus 1?
No, it's not. Wouldn't that one be positive then?
Yeah, negative times negative is positive.
Ah. So it would be 2 times, just 2 times 1.
Did you subtract these? No, negative 2 times a negative 1.
Oh, okay. Just subtract these then?
Yep.
Half of
You
it.
have to combine any like terms we have.
Will it hurt if I put parentheses around it? Like around the
Who's we talking
that, if I put parentheses around it?
about? Yeah, because that makes it look like it's multiplication, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
But it's really not. Well, what do you do here? Once we distribute, we get rid of those parentheses. Okay, we combine these.
Yeah.
Okay, it's negative 2 times negative 1. So that makes it 0 negative. Makes sense?
Okay, so it is 3x
So
plus
what's right
15.
Mhm.
3x plus 15 plus 2 times 2. Plus 2.
What's negative 2 times x?
Negative 2 times x is 2x. Oh, yeah.
I'll just
This is
simplify
it.
that to negative 2 times negative 1.
No, positive 2.
It's right, plus. Let's see, let's write that out. Let's forget. Okay, it's negative
Plus
2 times negative 1. Okay, 2.
I
Positive 2.
should rewrite it.
So then it'd be plus 2.
Yep.
3.
So then subtract.
Or you can do 15 minus 2, or 15 plus 2 is 17. Yeah, you can do it in those types of 2 as well. Does that make sense, Brady, or no? Let's do this one.
So that's not the answer.
Rule of
3x
x.
minus 2x.
Oh, confused with cross me. Okay, so far so good. So now we can do.
Subtract that 17.
So 15 plus 2 is 7. Okay, now I only have one variable already. Because I did
Mhm.
can do the minus.
So what, the answer is?
Wait, I
Does that
didn't,
make sense?
I don't have any equal sign. I only have one equals 10 now. I did minus 7 both sides. Wait. To add to it, I mean subtract. Okay, so what's your move? I guess. Oh yeah, it was 7. Oops.
But I SK.
Okay. Now we can put it in fractions. Correct, Deb?
You can divide, yeah. Or do you don't have to divide even.
You don't?
What's being multiplied with x?
1.
So what's 1 times anything?
1.
1 times anything.
Oh, the other thing, so x.
So is x squared by itself?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hey Sierra, can I have you come up and solve this one? While you pick your color, okay? So guys, give our attention to Sierra as we go solve this one for these videos, right? Very good, Sierra. Okay, slap on the back. Thank you for doing that. Okay, let's get. Come on, man. So, hey, and we said, Kate had asked me, hey, Mr. Costello, do I need to divide by 1? Okay, we don't, but Sarah divided by 1, and was it okay? Yeah. So either way, whether you divide by that 1 or not, it really doesn't matter, okay? But we did all the other math correctly. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do actually. I know there's a couple more problems on there. There's a section C, but we're actually gonna skip that. Are you guys okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. I had a feeling you guys might be, okay? So we're gonna jump straight into our assignment here, okay?
Get it done.
Now there aren't any don't do this time, but the assignment was a lot longer and I actually did short it down.
18.
So it's 18 problems. So it was like 30 some, and I screw that.
30?
Yeah, so I cut it down.